So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that if the dependent variable y is changed to z by the substitution y is equal to 10z and the differential equation d2y by dx square is equal to 1 plus 2 times 1 plus y divided by 1 plus y square dy by dx whole square is changed to this d2z by dx square is equal to cos of z whole square plus k times dz by dx whole square, then we have to tell the value of 305.33 multiplied by k. So what is the value of this? So for calculating this value we need k, and in the problem it is given that if you substitute y is equal to 10z in this differential equation you will get this differential equation, and then we have to compare both of them and find the value of k. So let's see how we can do this. So initially we have this information y is equal to 10z. So you can differentiate with respect to x, because here we have d2y by dx square. So we have to calculate d2y by dx square. So that's why we are differentiating with respect to x. So if you differentiate dy by dx is equal to sec z whole square and dz by dx. 10z differentiation is this sec z whole square and z differentiation is this dz by dx. Now you again differentiate with respect to x, so left hand side will become d2y by dx square, and the right hand side you can apply the product rule. So you take this as it is, and if you differentiate this you will get d2z by dx square, and if you take this as it is and you differentiate this you will get d by dx of this thing sec z whole square. So now this thing is as it is, and we know this sec z whole square differentiation is 2 times sec z, and sec z differentiation is sec z 10z, and z differentiation is dz by dx. So now this is the differentiation of this thing sec z whole square with respect to x. So now we got this. So what you can do, you can combine this and this, and this will become like dz by dx whole square. This thing is as it is, and here we have sec z and sec z, so it will become sec z whole square. We have one 10z and one factor is 2, so we have this thing. So this is d2y by dx square. Now the another thing which is given in this differential equation is this thing. This d2y by dx square is equal to this thing, which is 1 plus 2 times 1 plus y divided by 1 plus y square dy by dx whole square. So now let's calculate this or simplify this after substituting y is equal to 10z. What we will get? So if you substitute y is equal to 10z, so this will become 2 times 1 plus 10z, and here will become like 1 plus 10z whole square, and here you will get d by dx of 10z, and this whole thing whole square. So now we have this. So if you simplify this, you know 10z differentiation is sec z whole square and then dz by dx. So this differentiation will become this and this whole square. So we have this. So you will get sec z power 4 and dz by dx whole square, and here you have 1 plus tan of z whole square, which will become sec of z whole square, and in the numerator we have 2 times 1 plus tan z. So this we will get after differentiation. So if you see this and this will cancel, and here you will get sec z whole square, and this is dz by dx whole square. This is 2 times 1 plus tan z, and here we have 1. Now you can do this thing. So you can multiply 2 1 and this whole thing, so you will get 2 times sec z whole square dz by dx whole square, and you can also multiply 2 tan z, this sec z, and this whole sec z whole square and this dz by dx whole square, and you will get this thing. So this you will get, and now we have simplified version of this thing after putting y is equal to 10z, which is this, and we also have d2y by dx square in terms of d2z by dx square and variable z. So now what we can do, we know it is given in the problem, this d2y by dx square is equal to this thing. So what we can do, we can compare this d2y by dx square, which is this thing, to this thing, which is the simplified version of this thing after putting y is equal to 10z. So we are going to equate both of them because it is given in the problem. So if you equate this to this, so what you will get, so this factor dz by dx whole square 2 times xz whole square 10z, and this factor is also here, so these two will cancel. And in the left hand side you will have sec z whole square d2z by dx square, and in the right hand side you will have this one and this, so 1 plus 2 times sec of z whole square dz by dx whole square. So this you will get. Now what you can do, you can divide by sec of z whole square both sides, so you will divide by this. So this after divide you will get d2z by dx square. This 1 divided by sec of z whole square will become like cos of z whole square, and here this sec of z whole square and this will cancel, and the only remaining thing is 2 times dz by dx whole square. So here you have this factor 2. Now if you compare this with this, so we have d2z by dx square is equal to cos of z whole square plus k times dz by dx whole square. So we got k is equal to 2 after comparing this to this. You will easily see that the k value is 2, and we have to find out the value of 305.33 multiplied by k. So k value is 2, so after multiplication you will get 610.66. So in this way we can solve this.